If you've been on the lookout for the latest and greatest in AI software, Groups.com is one tool that's quickly gaining attention. And for good reason. Today, I'm going to dive deep into 7 crucial things you need to know about this newly released AI platform. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or someone just stepping into the world of AI, Groups.com has a lot to offer, and you're about to learn why. First things first, Groups.com is designed to make collaboration and community building easier than ever. The AI is built to simplify group management, automate content creation, and help you build a dynamic, engaged community around your brand or service. If you're looking to streamline how you connect with your audience or create automated, meaningful interactions, Groups.com could be exactly what you need. Now, what makes Groups.com unique is its intuitive, user-friendly interface. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, the platform is incredibly easy to use. You won't need to be a technical genius to start using it effectively right away. Everything is laid out clearly, from AI-assisted group creation to its automated messaging features. If you're someone who struggles with complex platforms, Groups.com's simplicity will be a breath of fresh air. Another key feature is its AI-driven content creation. This is a game changer for content marketers. Groups.com offers tailored content generation that adapts to your group's interests and needs. It analyzes conversations, engagement, and behavior, then generates highly relevant content that resonates with your community. Whether you're posting daily updates, sending out newsletters, or creating educational content, this tool ensures you're always staying relevant. And let's talk about automation. If you're tired of manual outreach, follow-ups, and engagement, Groups.com takes care of that for you. It uses its AI to handle repetitive tasks, freeing up your time to focus on more important aspects of your business. Think of it as having an assistant who never sleeps, responding to messages, following up with group members, and even moderating discussions. One of the coolest features that sets Groups.com apart from other tools is its community engagement insights. The software doesn't just help you create content. It also provides detailed analytics on how your community is engaging with that content. From engagement rates to sentiment analysis, you get a clear picture of how your group feels and what's working. This helps you adjust your strategies in real time, ensuring you're always on the right track. It's also worth mentioning that Groups.com integrates seamlessly with a variety of platforms like Slack, Discord, and Facebook groups. So if you're already using these tools to connect with your community, you won't have to start from scratch. The integration is smooth, meaning you can bring your community under one roof and take full advantage of Groups.com's AI capabilities without disrupting your existing setup. But of course, no software is perfect. One thing to keep in mind is that the platform is still relatively new, and there are a few features that are being continuously improved. However, the team behind Groups.com is actively updating the software, so you can expect a rapid pace of innovation. If all of this sounds exciting to you, the good news is that you can try Groups.com for free using the first link in the description below. Yes, you get to test out all these features with no strings attached. Whether you're looking to optimize your group management or dive into AI-powered content creation, this tool has the potential to drastically improve your process. After thousands of AI tools, I've narrowed down my favorites, and Groups.com is definitely one of them. You'll find my recommended AI software in the description below, all available for free trials. Don't miss out on trying out some of the best tech out there. So, if you're curious to see how Groups.com stacks up against other AI solutions and how it can help elevate your business, make sure to check it out. The future of AI is here, and it's smarter than ever.